எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு என்ற திருவள்ளுவனின் முதல் குறளை ஏற்று let us all stand up for the prayer song. எழுத்துக்கள் எல்லாம் அகரத்தை அடிப்படையாக கொண்டிருக்கின்றன. அதுபோல் உலகம் கடவுளை அடிப்படையாக கொண்டிருக்கிறது. திருவள்ளுவம் போற்றுவோம். We also welcome Thiru G. Shankar, MC, 199th Ward Councillor, Greater Chennai Corporation. Now I invite our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Revati Pillai, for the welcome address.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I have great pleasure in presenting the welcome speech for today's event, Synergy 2025, which Sri Ayyappa is celebrating as a grand festival. I extend my hearty welcome to our president of today's celebration, Thiru Lion S. Arvind Ramesh, MLA, member of Legislative Assembly, Soninallur constituency, and also the well-wisher of our school who participates in all our school activities and encourages our students and teachers. I welcome you, sir. My warm welcome to our respected correspondent, sir, Thiru K. Venkatesan, and beloved director, Madam Thiru Nandini Venkatesan, for our festival. Put your hands together to welcome our president of the celebration and correspondent director, ma'am. My warm welcome to our chief guest, Srimati Dr. Aarti Ganesh, Pro-Chancellor, Wales University, Managing Trustee, Wales Group of Institutions, India, Singapore and United Kingdom. She is an educationist and philanthropist who will join us shortly. She is down. So put your hands together to welcome Dr. Aarti Ganesh also. I also extend my hearty welcome to Prince Babu Rajendran, President, United District Self-Financing Schools Association, and correspondent St. Mark's Metric High Secondary School, Trompet. Welcome you, sir. My warm welcome to Tirumati Dr. A. Rajalakshmi Trustee, Sadguru Global Metric Higher Secondary School, Sogandi. Welcome you, ma'am. I also extend my warm welcome to our special guest, Reliant S. G. Shankar, MC 199 Ward Councillor, Greater Chennai Corporation. He is a humble person, supports our school in many ways. Welcome you, sir. My warm welcome to our parents who are the supporting force for us to run the school in a smooth manner. I welcome all the parents to this grand festival. I extend my hearty welcome to our beloved admin and academic heads who are the pillars of the school, and the teachers supporting the heads as a roof, connecting all the pillars together and make our children to achieve our goal, school motto, learn to lead. My warm welcome to our non-teaching staffs, sisters, drivers for this function. Last but not the least, I extend my warm welcome to our beloved students who are enjoying this grand festival. Once again, I welcome you all for this festival. Thank you.